Welcome again. We are here with the unboxing of the Mindful Souls subscription box number 11, and we will see what we have this month here. I hope it's surprising. Let's open it every month. And here we have, like always, we have the card, the guidance card, the affirmation card. This time the affirmation is for a quiet mind, and it says, I create space for silence and clarity in my mind. We have the sticker. This is the sticker. It says, enjoy every moment, in a very nice pink color. We have the card with all the elements we are going to be receiving in this new box. Like always, with all the descriptions and the pictures. We also have the intuitive decision-making ritual here. This month, subscription box number 11 is for blocking out the chaos. Chaos, okay? Your moment of silence in a loud, shouting world. And it's going to be just for be peaceful, our mind, our body, and our soul. So let's start with the part that we like the most. As always, the things inside come in these bags, little bags. This time we have 4 bags. We have a little box and this. I don't know what this is, but we will find out right now. So I'm gonna start with this, which is a focus blend. This is for deep concentration, is 100% essential oil. It's this one, focus blend. It's very strong, the smell. I'm gonna start using it right now. It says, let me see if I did the right thing. Focus blend oil, roll on, intentions. It's for clarity and concentration. Element air, chakra, third eye and crown. If you are feeling scattered or overwhelmed, this potent aromatic blend is your secret weapon against mental fog and distractions. Carefully crafted to soothe, for frazzle mind and sharpen your focus. It's like a reset button for your brain. You can rub it and blend it in your wrists, temples, and behind your ears. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show it to you. So I did the right thing. I put it here. And we are going to put it behind the ears. I love it. The smell is so like, it's like you are in a different place. I love it. Okay, this is the oil. Now we are going with this. It's the first time in my life that I see something like this, but it's a Tibetan rope incense. It's for serenity and connection, element earth, chakra third eye. With roots in Nepalese culture, this tool has been cherished for generations as means to soothe the soul and refocus on what truly matters. From its calming smoke to its refreshing herbal scent, it's a treat for your senses. So this is what we have here. And of course, I would love to burn one of these. I'm gonna try later. Now we are going with the baggies. So the first one I'm opening here is this. Let's see what we have. Okay. This is our rose quartz necklace. I don't know if you can see it there. Let me put something darker like this. This is our rose quartz crystal necklace. Of course, rose quartz is for peace and tranquility, so I'm sure it's for being calm, to achieve like a state of mind that is more peaceful, because this is a crystal for the planet Venus, to bring harmony and equilibrium to our lives. So let's see what it says. Rose quartz necklace, intentions, comfort and gentleness, element water, chakra heart. If you often struggle with anxiety, consider wearing this necklace every day. It can help calm your racing thoughts and reintroduce a sense of lightness to your life. So it's for peace and being calm in the mind. I love it. It's very beautiful. Remember that we always have to clean all these elements. We have to reset them to the 0 point of energy to remove any blockage or any unwanted vibrations that they could have get in their way to your house, to your home, to your life. So this is very important, okay? Let's go with the next one. Here we have a geode. This is a geode. You can see it here. It's a nice size geode. Look how it shines in the light. And it's a natural geode, intentions, clarity, and balance. It looks like a clear quartz, okay? So element earth, crown chakra. Almost like a metaphor to your hidden inner wisdom, the outer layers of geodes look like an ordinary rock, but when you crack them open, you find something truly beautiful inside, a breathtaking array of crystals, and this is what we have here. Nice. Let's go with the other bag. Here, this is a tumble stone, it's a tumble crystal with beautiful colors too. This is a peach scolosite tumble. Intentions, intuition, and tranquility. I love it because it has naturally the shape of a pyramid or something a little bit geometrical, which I love. I love the colors too. It has some pointer here, but I don't think it was the intention. It's like this in its natural state. Intentions, intuition, and tranquility. Element water, chakra, third eye. Offering a gentle path to heightened intuition and inner peace, this delicate peach-hued stone is like a reassuring hug for your soul. With its soothing energy, peach scolosite helps you quiet the mind's chatter, allowing your inner wisdom to shine through. So we have this scolosite, peach scolosite tumble stone. And the last thing we have in the box is this. This is very beautiful. Look at this. This is a ring. As you can see, it has like 4 different crystals here. The size is adjustable. It's not a big size. Let's see if I can wear it. Let me see. It goes perfect in my finger. You see? It's beautiful. Adjustable. Only this ring is worth the value of the box. This is beautiful. Heavy. It's a hammered multi-crystal ring. Intentions, harmony and empowerment, elements all chakras. It looks like it has some amazonite, maybe cornelian, amethyst, clear quartz or rose quartz. Let me see. It has amethyst, carnelian, rose quartz, and amazonite. It's like wearing a miniature crystal grid on your finger, harmonizing your entire energy field with every gesture. I love it. No, this is the best part of the box for me. This is the element that I like the most. It's too good to be true. This is only $45 minimum at some jewelry store. No, this is beautiful. It's worth the value. And this is all for now. This was subscription box number 11 from Mindful Souls, and it came with the multi-crystal ring. We have the scolosite tumble, peach scolosite tumble. We have the Tibetan rope incense. We also have the mini natural geode. We have the rose quartz crystal necklace and the Focus Blend Roll All Oil. So what do you think about this box? Do you think it's worth the value? It's $43 a month. We also have the affirmation card, the sticker, and here we have the instructions for each and every element from the box. I want you to know about the intuitive decision-making ritual with the difficulty level 2. And of course, you will need all the elements in this box. You have 7 steps with the instructions. In the back of the brochure, you have make positive vibes coming your way. And in the very back of the brochure, we have the Mindful Soul Experience. It says, slow down your mind in just 2 minutes. Pause, look, listen, touch, smell, and taste. So here we have all these elements to help us achieve these steps. And we have always the best intentions. I'm gonna start using this right away as soon as I clean them from the remaining energies that they could get in the way to my house. But stay tuned, because I want to give you kind of a cleaning ritual for everything new that you get in your life. Let me see what is coming before we close. There is a powerful force you haven't unlocked yet. A natural wonder that can speed up your healing, manifestation, and growth like never before. We are talking about the moon. In our upcoming series, we'll show you how to tap into the incredible lunar energy and use it to transform your life for the better. So I can't wait for this. I think it's going to be plenty of feminine and positive energies, so let's see. For now, I'll leave you here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.